Joseph Merrit. Everybody calls me Charlie. I am the Irrigation Supervisor at the Cario location of Monrovia Nursery. We're in South Georgia, the very southern part of the United States. Most things we want to grow, we can grow in this climate. Perennials and what we call specialty plants, which are ones we have to put a lot of labor in, is what we are most known for on this site. We ship them all over the United States. We ship to Canada. Our biggest customer is big garden centers. The type of plants we have, that has a lot to do with whether we're pumping water out of the ground from an underground well or pumping water out of what we call surface water pond. Plants that are highly susceptible to disease, we try to keep on well water. We have a budget we have to work on. So when we buy something, we need something that's going to be long lasting and will stay with us and work properly the whole time. I choose Rainbird for the quality of the products. We have Rainbird LF, LFX, and brass 30 heads, and we also have 35. The LF heads, we use a lot of them, and the reason we use the edge yards are to keep all the water on our terraces, on our plants, and to cut down on the erosion on our roads. When you lose plants, you lose the money. And if your plants are not growing uniformly, you cannot sell them all at the same time. Sometimes you go to a sprinkler and you can't get it out. You're holding up time that you could be watering. With an ACME head, you walk up, one turn, it's off, you unstop it, turn it back on, your water is right back running in a minute's time, probably less than a minute. Considering every irrigation that's out here probably has 500 heads to 1,000 heads to look at in a day's time. If you ain't got to spend but a minute versus 5 minutes on one, that is a big difference. Relationship is very important, and it's real helpful when I can pick up the phone and call Mike from Rainbird. We can sit and talk and he'll help me figure something out. When we have new areas to do or something that's not working quite right, he will come and we will get it figured out. Monrovia's mission is to grow the best plants on the market, and that's what we do. If it is not the highest of quality, it does not leave the site. That's why we want the best products working for us too, so we can achieve that goal. I have tried the other options, and I know the Rainbird is the one that's going to serve me best.